Hi guys, today let's try to understand the decided measure table in the Power BI. So most of the Power BI developer write a great code, but their model looks messy. What if I told you one simple structure change can instantly improve your readability and the professionalism, right? So today I will show you pro tips that serious DAX developer use, right? So creating a separate table in the content of your DAX measure is a great way to stay organized. So what can you do? You simply enter uh, data, right? That is a basically trick. And a create table would be open. You can write anything like sample there. You can use the measure table and load it. So one separate table would be created, and you can put your all measure over there in that table, and it would be organized in a one time and one way, right? So let's do one thing. Let's jump on the Power BI and create a such table so that you can understand how can we made a such table. So enter the data. When you click the enter the data, one separate create table would be here. So you can put anything here in this column, like I'm just writing a sample here, right? And you can give the table name here, like I'm giving a table name as a measure table, right? So when I load it, it will create it here one more extra table in the your data, right? Like it is created. So you can do one thing, your measure which you created earlier, just simply click here and go there in the page and select there and put the table measure in the this one. It will move here. And let's move another measure in this table. Go there, measure table. Select the profit also because that is a measure. Click here, go the measure table. So all data would come here in the measure. One more column extra, you can simply delete it. Delete from the model. So let's suppose you have the multiple of the measure. So you not need to go here and there and search where is your measure located, how many measure you are made. So simply all measure comes in the one table like this, right? One more thing you can do, you can go there in the model view and select any measure from here and give a name over there, right? So in the display name, like you can enter anything like tips and best practices, right? We'll just some screen will do that again, right? And with the enter, so you will observe one folder has been created over here and your cost would be there in that folder. So simply you can click here and move your another measure in this table, in this basically folder. So your folder will be here. So you can create a multiple folder like this and your measure would be organized. You don't need to search here and there, and your visibility and your professionalism would be increased. So that is the today topic. See you in the next video. I will give you some more extra tips and tricks for working on the advanced text feature. Then we'll move slowly advanced version of this text. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned.